Hi, I'm Mariana Boccia. I'm a floral artist, and today I partner with DP Flowers to create this incredible dry flower arrangement. You will learn how to do it yourself when you receive your products, which basically you receive these bunches and you get to create your own bouquet. This is the product that you will receive when you buy your dry flowers arrangement, so do it yourself. So it looks like it's not that much, but you will see. There are 6 types of flowers here. And you just basically take out your cellophane and start opening and see what did you get. So remember, you can find them in the website. And they ship anywhere here in the US. I like to open the burn. The descriptions are below. This is the burn, the ponytail, the filaris, and what else? Yeah, 6 types of flowers here. So some bunches doesn't have this exactly same type of flowers, but in the description you will see, and we have created so many different types. You can do it in your vase, in the home vase you have, and it really levels up your decor. This is a really neutral color. I find it very useful. Maybe you want to mix with another color, so this will be a great idea to buy this color and another one to mix. We are deciding today to do like a monochromatic, which is one color. We have our base, and we can start adding. Are you ready? For this one, I kind of already know what I want. So I'm going to start with the covering and placing them a diagonal. If you have a dry foam, you can use it. If not, it's the same. Really doesn't matter. I like it because it sticks where I place them, but sometimes we want just to have more movement, or maybe you don't have that foam, and it's okay. You don't really need it. If you are familiar with the floral tools, maybe you know the chicken wire. You can use it as well. So for this one, I'm going to cover like all around it. It's because it's a round base. So the right thing to do is to cover all of the parts, so it doesn't matter from which point are you looking at them. And remember to play around with your flowers, to have fun, to believe in you as a creator you are. We all are artists, we all are creators, and maybe you haven't discovered that yet on you, but maybe after this you will see how simple it is. And it's a great activity, even maybe with your kids or wherever. You can. It's a fun activity that will take just a little bit of your time, but it will give you so much. It will give you so much. The benefits are many, because when working on something new, we all sometimes want to try something new, and maybe it's this. So dry flowers last at least for 3 years. This vase, I see already that it's not going to take me much of the product. So for one bunch, you definitely can use it for many others, like to place it in different areas of your home, because it doesn't take much. This is a very good size. And I like to use everything, so it gives it texture and design and shapes, and we like to see that in an arrangement. We don't want to see always the same, or very symmetrical. We like to play around and see how it goes as we work on it. So this board is very, very useful. You can separate them and work on it. So let's see the result. It's not ready yet, but look how it's looking so far. It's amazing. I really like this vase. It looks so elegant. So I find this arrangement like very commercial. You can have it in a hotel and maybe in a store or at home, or a wedding. It's very elegant. I really like this style, and it's still one color, but because it has many shades, it looks like it have different lights and textures and colors. I really like it, and it's very easy. As you saw, it's just feeling and looking at it. Remember to have a focal point. Your bunches come with so much materials. I haven't not even used the half of it, and I can see already how it's looking. So it's a very nice one. What I do is to the tallest ones. I used to give it height to the arrangement, so it doesn't look like all in the same level. So this one, for example, I use it to give it some height. But the other ones, like this born, I use it most of the time for the vase to cover like the down level. So that's what I'm doing to fill out my arrangement. And I use this and this ponytail, for example, I use it to give it some height, and it looks very, very nice. So we finished our neutral arrangement in this gold vase, and I really like how it looks. We still have product, but it will not make sense to keep adding. It's just perfect how it is. It gets in a time that you say, okay, it's ready, like stop, stop adding. So I really like it. I hope you do. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for watching, and of course, you like it, maybe share it or thumbs up to the video. Thank you for being here. Bye.